what Steven Yeun said, like, these past few months, ever since we dated, and even though even before we dated, we always want to show you guys our like perfect performance, our good selves only, to the point that we also forgot to tell ourselves that we're doing a great job. And, to be honest, I'm really excited to perform here in my country, but it's also a pressure for me because to be honest, I've tried to be strong, but sometimes mahirap po. But seeing how much you guys prepare, like seeing you guys work hard more than us, like wala po akong reason para hindi mag-work hard pa po. Thank you so much for giving us a memory na never namin mapa-forget. And thank you for giving us a home, and a place that we can rest. And I hope that ganun din po kayo. And also, there's a lot of like fans who came here from other countries as well. So, 멀리서도 응원하러 와주시는 팬분들 너무너무 감사합니다.
So maraming salamat kahit nasa malayo. Yung pagdating po ninyo talaga, sobrang salamat po. I love you all.